This evening at Cultivate, I am here at The Ohio State University at the Chadwick Arboretum and Learning Gardens. And behind me is their 2021 Cultivar Trials. So this is a plant trial garden. Here we can see the plants growing in a landscape to see how they would perform in your yard, for example. So this is where a lot of folks make decisions when it comes to what plants they're going to grow for sale in their garden centers. So it really affects our decision making too at Bob's Market. So let's check out the Cultivar Trials. Also here in front of Howlett Hall, they have just a beautiful garden. So another thing to check out while you're here is the green roof on Howlett Hall. So I've been coming out here for a little over 10 years to Cultivate and to the Trial Gardens. And each year I stop by and check out this roof. And it's been interesting to see it evolve over the years. As different plants that they planted up here kind of vied and competed against each other, and you can really see the change over the years. Wood sorrel might be a common weed, and it can pop up anywhere, including on a roof. If you're ever in the Columbus area, I recommend stopping by and checking this out. It's definitely worth the visit. And it's really a beautiful stroll just to take in like the beautiful flowers and everything.